Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a bunny sunset effect similar to this effect here with Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, sign in or create an account, click on apps, then scroll and choose the burning sunset effect here. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page like this where all you have to do is to upload your image. So click on the upload image section in this area, then choose the image you want to upload, and once you've chosen it, the image would appear here. Now you can generate an image, or if you want a short video like this, you can switch this, click on video to switch this to a video project. So this image costs about 1 credit to create, while this should cost 16. Yes, the video costs 16. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe to the channel.